let's look at researching career information, researching colleges, of course, using Bureau of Labor Statistics. We're going to look at a sample career description, the accountant, and then we're going to review a sample job announcement. And the purpose of that is essentially if you are interested in a particular field and you are looking to complete a degree in preparation for that field, it is a good idea to see what that field is asking for now. And so if you look at a 2021 job announcement of your particular field, in your particular field, and they are asking for X amount of things today in 2021 or this year in 2021, what do you think they're going to be asking for 4 years from now? And that's something to think about. So you want to be able to meet the industry needs now and plan for that now as if you were ready to enter the industry at this moment. So let's look at career information.